Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we are here for the Moto Motion Show directly behind me. It's a brand new show that's part of their Busch Gardens Summer Night series, and it's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go!
Let's go! Alright, like we said, we're here in the good old Busch Gardens. We're gonna go see a new show. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm super excited. So it is Friday, May 30th. It's the very first night of the Summer Night series here at Busch Gardens. It means longer hours. Park's open during the week, at least on Fridays. I don't know. I think it's during the week. I don't know. Let's check that. But it's gonna be a ton of fun. That means that we can come after work and we can explore more Busch Gardens, and we don't have to always be weekenders. We can be weekdayers.
Nighttimers.
So anyways, it's a brand new show and we're excited to check it out. Obviously, we're not going to show the entire show right here, but what we're going to do is give you some highlights. That way you know kind of what to expect when you come to check it out. It does sound pretty exciting. It's got like acrobatics and motocross and extreme sports, and it's going to be a ton of fun, and I can't wait.
All right, let's go find a seat.
And of course, after the show, we'll come back and we'll give you our thoughts on the show. So make sure you stick around all the way to the end.
Stick tuned. All right, so for some wayfinding right here, that I think is Shikra. That is the falls, like the raft ride right there. Not the raft ride, the log flume ride right there. Right here. That's what we're gonna do.
So they got some merch here too if you want to buy some Moto Motion shirts. All right guys, so this show is at the Stanleyville Theater. So it is obviously in Stanleyville. You can take the train over here from the main entrance. Oh.
You cannot.
No, you can't. But
you can hoof it here from the main entrance.
Okay. So it's basically the opposite side of the park from where the main entrance is. It's quite a walk to get here. There is a train stop here, but obviously there's not one at the front gate. So you can take the Skyliner. Skyliner's not far from here.
Well, and we take it from not the main entrance, so
not the main, but the other way. Yeah. So that is an option. But yeah, super excited to check this out.
And we do have multiple shows throughout the day, so just check on the day that you're here to see when the show is.
Yeah. So there are 3 shows today at 3, 5, and 7, I believe. And
6, 9.
I believe they also have one at like noon or 1 as well most days. So
you didn't get my reference.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
One other thing to point out is I believe those are Surons. Some sort of electric motorcycle. Look pretty cool. And of course, no seats, so there's gonna be a lot of standing up. So we got like Gangs of New York going on here with the Gridiron Geckos and the Sunset Sprinters.
Yeah, I don't know.
So I guess they're gonna be competing, doing amazing tricks.
I don't know, turf war.
Yeah. It's like the Outsiders. Stay gold, pony boy.
Stay gold, pony boy, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, stay golden, pony boy.
Not golden, stay gold.
Yeah, golden. I said gold the first time.
Oh, it's not golden, stay golden, pony boy.
I've also never seen anyone ever decorate with slinkies before, so that's new to me. But they are all over the place. All those are slinkies back there too. Lightsaber slinkies.
Ooh.
Brace yourself for an event full of high-level competition and non-stop action. But please, be prepared. This thrilling matchup is overflowing with high-energy performances.
You were so into it. It was so cute.
2, 1, let's go! And they're off. Geckos with a strong lead. Tagged in, it's time to climb. Sprinters making their way up the rope. Geckos getting locked in. Sprinters getting the lead. I think they're done in 4, 3, 2, 1. It's anyone's game, they're back in there. Tagged in at the same time. Taking off, it's time for wheelies. And making their way around and around. Who's it gonna be? Katie slides out of the backside. JT takes the lead. Way to go, JT. Busch Gardens, let's make some noise one more time for all of our performers here today.
Yeah, so that was pretty neat. It's definitely an interesting like mix of, you know, I mean, you get the motocross, you get like the skating and biking, and then like dance and acrobatics as well. It was interesting.
I liked it. I would watch it again. It was cute.
Yeah, I mean, overall, I like.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, overall, I liked it. I don't think it was my favorite show I've ever seen though.
Yeah,
Personally, I was kind of hoping for a little bit more, especially with the bikes. I would have liked a bigger arena where they could have done bigger tricks.
I did notice they put in some like dirt bike noises over the electric bikes. Did you notice that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Yeah, because they're electric Surons, I'm pretty sure.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of squeaky wheels though,
Yeah.
squeaky brakes.
All right, all that being said, we'll let you guys know our full thoughts in a moment when we head outside.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That was Moto Motion. So it was an interesting blend of both extreme sports as well as acrobatics and dance. Very interesting, very cool. So while I do think it was very entertaining and everything, very interesting, I do wish the stage was a little bit larger if they had maybe an outdoor arena where they could do a little bit larger, bigger tricks. But for what it was definitely entertaining, and it's a great place to kind of come cool down. I'm sure that all the kids and everyone's going to enjoy it.
I mean, I had footage of Louis Bebop into it, so I'll put that in here where I swear he was really enjoying the music, so enjoy that footage.
What was your favorite part?
I always like the aerial stuff. I always think the aerial stuff's kind of cool. What was your favorite part?
I don't think you got any footage of it. My favorite part was the BMX rider.
Oh, I didn't get any footage of that.
Yeah.
I didn't know. So we'll put some pictures in here of Louis taking pictures of the BMX rider. Sorry. I was trying to say something for the viewers at home.
Yeah, okay. So the halftime show, they had a BMX rider came out and did a bunch of neat tricks, things that I wish that I could have done as a kid. Because as a kid, I really enjoyed riding my BMX bike. I could never do anything like that, but it was cool to watch. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today. Remember, hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. Let us know in the comments below if you're going to come check out this show. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Alright, so
Give these people a second to pass. Okay. You ready?
yeah.
All right. Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekends.
Yeah.
Brand new show that's part of their summer series.
Busch Gardens Summer Nights.
Okay. It's a brand new show that's we're here to check out the brand new show, Moto
Motion.
And today we are here to check out the brand new show. So it's the very first
31st?
night.
31st?
Yeah, 31st? No, today's 30th.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
You want to try it from that side? So anyways, this is a brand new series. Professional weekend. Professional eveningers.
Eveningers. Nighttime.
Yeah. Like that. All right.
The sharks and the what? The sharks and the...
All right, guys, so this show is at the Stanleyville.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I was playing with my boobs.
All right. All right, guys, so there you have it. That was Moto... What is it? Moto...
I don't remember.